guys know when you see my face, it's going to be a good day. Happy Monday. It's Monday. Hey, good morning. What's the matter? Oh, someone's not happy already. Did you give her breakfast? What's the matter? You didn't get your breakfast?
I gave her breakfast.
So, good morning, guys. I have to clean my house. Every single time you guys see me, I have to clean my house. I don't know why, but every single time you see me, I have to clean my house, and I don't know the light switches. I've been here a year, and I'm still confused on what turned on what. And like, but good morning. I'm excited to be vlogging. I'm gonna be doing a vlog a day this whole week to see if I can get back on track. You want some juice? Want juice? And I don't know. A vlog a day. A vlog a day. So I'm gonna go get my coffee. I have to make a few phone calls because I have to reschedule an appointment for Jordan because he's not here. I didn't get the letter until after he left. So I have to go reschedule an appointment for him right now, charge my phone, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Good morning, guys. Okay, so appointment is rescheduled for Jordan. I hate dealing with certain people early in the morning because they're just like trying to ruin my mood, and I'm just like, you're not gonna ruin my mood today, okay? But the appointment is rescheduled. I'm excited. One thing crossed off my list. I can call my husband and be like, hey, I got up in the adult today because he texted me bright and early. Don't forget to reschedule the appointment. Husband, really? Because my husband feel like if he doesn't stay on top of me, I'm not going to get what I need to get done. So he's like, yeah. And I don't have any makeup on. My face is just bare and my eyebrows need to be done. But whatever. Excuse the look. You know, I will get it together after, 5 vlogs this week? I will get it together, okay? So I'm going to go drink my coffee because I'm excited because appointments reschedule. I hope he reschedule it because, you know, these people, they tend to want to do what they want to do and then blame you for it. So I hope they reschedule it. I'm going to go clean my house and drink me some coffee and hang out on my dick, okay? You guys want to come hang out on my dick? No, 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 no. You're not welcome to come hang out on my dick. My dick is my dick, okay? You have your own dick, okay? Mine is mine. What is mine is mine. What's yours is yours. We're not sharing. I'm gonna go drink my coffee on my dick. All right? Wanna come? Come on. What are you doing? Say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, guys. Oh, look at you. I need to get her dressed. She's getting so tall, guys. Look how tall my lady is. You ready to get dressed, baby? I have to shampoo this rug today because it's getting a little gross. Right? Getting a little gross and dingy.
Well,
Guys, I love using this for my carpet. You see that juice stain right there? I'm just going to spray this on there and let it sit before I clean the carpet. Not carpet, rug. Before I clean the area rug, I'm going to let this sit. I need to get me another bottle. And you can almost see the stain just disappear. But this is what happens when you have kids. You see that stain over there? Right there? Spray this on there too. My phone is charging, guys, so but I'm getting ready to clean this carpet, so I'm gonna let that sit, and then I'm gonna clean this because the rug is way too dingy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my house and show you the state that it's in, and then I'm not gonna show you guys me. I'm not going to show you guys me cleaning it because that's way too much work, and I'm just not there yet. You guys understand, but I'm gonna show you what I have to do, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product and stuff. Why do I look so rough? I look really, really rough. I need to take my braids down, guys. Like, I need to take my braids down. But I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to deal with my hair right now. But I'm going to show you guys all the stuff I have to do. I don't know if I'm going to drink my coffee before or after. I think I'm going to drink my coffee after. No, I'm going to drink my coffee before. And give my phone a little bit more time to charge. And then, you know, whatever. But let's see my outfit. Look at that pudge. I'm proud of my pudge, you know what I mean? But anywho, I'm gonna show you guys. I have my babies back. Last week they were with their grandparents. This week the twins are with their grandparents. That's the reason why I had to reschedule Jordan's appointment, because he's not here. I think they have a birthday party on Wednesday. The 26th. They're going to a theme park. I think they're going to a theme park. All right. Relax. Yep, June 26th. They have a birthday party. So, they didn't give me a number to RSVP, so I hope it's okay if I just pop up. I only have one kid though. Well, two. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I have to do, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after it's finished. Okay, this is the dining area. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. This is not bad. Yeah, my dog. And this is my living room. I washed these pillows and the stuffing, so that, last night I had to restuff them. So that's why there's like little stuff on the floor, so I have to vacuum that up. But my pillows are all clean. They smell amazing. That's one thing that's my biggest pet peeve is I don't like stinky pillows. Like, I hate it. No. And then my kids and their dirty butt, they just sit and it's just like that. So my pillows are all clean. I have to clean this rug, vacuum, pick up all the toys and the random stuff on the floor, like Maddie's sippy cup. Why? And then over in the kitchen, it's not dirty. I just have to put away those dishes. The sink is filled with dirty dishes because last night I was just not having it. So I have to put those in the dirty dishes in the dishwasher. Well, I can't because I don't have no soap, so I have to wash those by hand. And then I took out dinner, and it's the Kentucky gentleman. It's been a wild weekend. Gotta put these stuff away, and that's it for downstairs. Not bad, right? Not bad, right?
Not bad.
All right, let's get to it. The island is all clean. What? Look at that, guys. Wow. What? Now I'm waiting for my coffee, and I'm doing the dishes right now because when I clean the rug, I have to pour the dirty water in the sink, and the sink needs to be emptied so I can pour the dirty water in the sink, right? I finished the carpet stain thingy. I need to get me one, but my card expired, my bank card expired, so, and I haven't ordered a new one. They claim I didn't change the address, whatever. So I can't really, which is a good thing. I can't go spend money because I don't have a card, and hubby needs his. So yeah, right, whatever. I vacuumed the floor, and I moved the chairs over there because I'm getting ready to clean the carpet, the whole entire carpet. Like, I opened the door and I went outside and I came back in and it smelled like dirty carpet. Like, I need to clean the carpet because, yeah, I need to do that. I hate when my house smells like old people live here. Like, no old person live here. It's just me, all right? I might be getting up in age, but no old person live here. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish what I'm doing and then I'll check back in with you guys. now it's time to go and sit out on my dick and enjoy my coffee. Whoa, I'm multitasking. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my word, look. Ah! Okay, now I have to open the screen door. This is ridiculous. Who does this? Oh, no, because I'm Superwoman. Oops. Alright, whatever. That was hard. Oh my gosh, I'm going to show you guys. I rigged up something. My camera just came on. Look, they say if you put a bag with water and penny, it will keep the flies out. I don't know if it's working because I saw a few, but not as many as there used to be. So, I'm gonna plop my butt right here. See, look, my kids live out here too. It's a bunch of their toys on my dick. Don't mind my my thing. Don't worry about it. But good morning. I don't know what you guys want to talk about, but me personally, I don't have anything to talk about. Just want to let you guys know I'm back. You know what I mean? I gotta do my eyebrows. I gotta lose some weight, but other than that, I'm gonna go enjoy my coffee. I'm gonna catch up with you guys later because I can't multitask in that area. I can't. I really can't. Some people can, but I can't. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys later. So I had to change my clothes. Carpet's done. Dishes are done. Now I'm making some dumpling and mackerel. I'm gonna get me some dumpling and mackerel. I'm taking it back to, you know, the good old days when that's all I had to eat. So I'm making me some dumpling in that little pot. Dishes are clean. So I got my cups and I got my dishes. And I keep clean the rug, the area rug. I had to open up the doors and windows to let some, you know, circulation in because my house is like, wasn't smelling too right. So I did the rug. It's kind of curling up on itself. I don't know why, but it looks so much cleaner. It's all cleaned and the edges are curling up on themselves right there. And I have the big carpet area right there to clean, and then I'm done. But the rug feels so much better. It smells so clean. The stains are all gone except for this little area right here. That's not a stain, that's a pattern. I don't know. I might run over it later. But all the stains are gone and it's nice and clean. I love a nice and clean rug. But anyways, I'm gonna go make my dumpling and cook up my mackerel. I'm gonna put some onion, some pepper, some tomato. And just have me a little Jamaican lunch, you know what I mean? I'm gonna have me some Jamaican lunch. And start dinner. I'm making chicken noodle soup with chicken feet. Girl, my Destiny might not eat it, but I opened the windows and stuff and I got hot, so I had to change my outfit. So yeah, I had to get comfortable. But anyways, I'm gonna go finish my lunch and get started on dinner. This is mackerel and dumpling. Whoa, I'm gonna eat my food. What you doing? Mm-hmm. Who are you gonna shoot? Go get the birds. Go get the birds. Go get them, Matt. Go get them, girl. Go get the birds. Go get the birds. Go get them, Matt. Can you see the birds? Yeah? Go get the birdie. Get him. I'm still young. The hubby's home. Dinner's done. He's ill. He's all greasy, right? Done with dinner. I didn't get to vacuum the carpet in the front. I didn't get to do that. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But dinner is done. I made a pot of chicken noodle soup. Like so good. Like you've never had chicken noodle soup. Like it's delicious. So this is for today because the husband is home. Vlog a day. A vlog a day. Didn't I say a vlog a day? Say it with me. A vlog a day. A vlog a day. So today's Monday's vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.